You already use one-click exit from charts. Earlier, these exits were placed using market orders. Scalper 2.0 now adds price control to these exits. You can choose to place them using limit orders, so your exits follow your price logic and help manage slippage while still staying fast. Open the Sahi app, go to Scalper and click on three-dot menu. Here you will see the Order Defaults option. Tap on it. Then you will see a tab called One Tap Orders. Within One Tap Orders, you can choose how you want to exit your positions from the charts, whether at market price or at limit price. If I choose limit here, we have three options available for you: Best Bid Offer, LTP, and Midpoint of Bid Offer. You can choose the option that you want and click on Apply. Now, I have already chosen here Best Bid Offer. Let's see how it works on the chart. I will take a position. My position has been created on the chart. Now, when I try to exit the position, you see, instead of exit at market, I am seeing exit at the price value. This price value is the best bid or offer which is available in the market. When I tap on this, the limit order will be placed. I clicked on it and the limit order is executed. That's it. All your one-tap exits from chart will now be placed using limit orders.